Hey Adam, Papa Steve here. Just wanted to show you a little something. I know you like trains, and this is an old steam engine I had when I was real little, and I dug it up and wanted to show you how it works. First, over here we got a little bit of a fire going to get the steam going in the broiler, and this is just like the old steam engine trains. And if we come over here, I'll show you this is the engine part, and we get to make sure the whistle's going. And then we get the train going. There you go. Yeah, that thing's humming. See, this is like the old train over here. And that's your more steam you put in there. And that's how the old trains used to work. There you go. All right, Adam. We love you, and I hope you're having a good Christmas. Thought you might want to see that.